Taguig City Mayor Lino Cayetano has asked the police to enforce the closure of common areas in upscale condominium buildings amid the enhanced community quarantine.
So even if the common space in condominiums or subdivisions are private in nature, we believe that since one condominium, just like one building, one subdivision, has many homes, the use of their common space is not allowed because the spirit of the community quarantine is that we stay home.
He issued this statement after a video of a policeman at the pool area of Pacific Plaza Towers went viral. Cayetano assured the incident is being investigated. He warned residents that they might face sanctions for violating the quarantine rule.
If the PNP officer did anything wrong and we are waiting for all statements, he will be held accountable. But I also ask that citizens who commit a crime or who do not follow the ECQ will also be held accountable.
He also made this appeal to all residents of Taguig.
But we ask you, for your safety, please, for now, close common spaces, follow the rules of the enhanced community quarantine, respect law enforcement.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.